Welcome back to Auto Elite, where muscle meets madness. And today, we're unleashing the beast from Dearborn, the 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. This isn't just a Mustang, it's the Mustang. The 2026 GT500 returns with more power, more grip, and even more attitude. It's the last of a dying breed, supercharged, rear-wheel drive, and loud enough to wake the dead. Let's talk power. Under the vented hood lives a 5.2-liter Predator V8, but this time, it's been reworked and retuned. Still supercharged. Still brutally fast. But now producing a jaw-dropping 820 horsepower and 625 lb-ft of torque. The transmission? A lightning-quick dual-clutch 8-speed, delivering shifts faster than you can blink. 0 to 60? 3.2 seconds. Quarter mile? Just under 10.9. This thing is a straight-line missile, but that's just the beginning. The chassis has been tightened, the aero turned up. You've got an active rear wing, carbon fiber front splitter, and underbody airflow channels that actually work. And for those who tick the right boxes, you get the carbon track pack, carbon fiber wheels, Michelin Pilot Sport Cup Tour tires, and a rear seat delete that tells you everything you need to know about its intentions. Visually, the GT500 is all muscle. Wider, lower, angrier. Signature LED lighting, blacked-out grille, exposed carbon accents, and a new Night Venom metallic paint option that makes it look just as dangerous as it drives. Inside, Ford has kept it driver-focused. Suede-wrapped Recaros, a flat-bottom wheel, and Shelby badging everywhere. A massive 13.2-inch touchscreen runs SANC 5, with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and full telemetry integration. Track apps. Line lock. Launch control. Everything you need for weekend domination at the strip or the circuit. Magnetic ride control keeps the car flat in corners, while 6-piston Brembos bring it to a stop in less than 100 feet. And yes, it still sounds feral. Thanks to an active exhaust that can go from neighbors hate you to neighbors call the cops. Starting at around $94,000, the 2026 Shelby GT500 is a pure muscle coupe and a world-moving electric. It's big, brutal, and built for the bold. So, would you take this over a ZL1, a Hellcat Red Eye, or even a Porsche 911? Drop your take in the comments. And if you still believe the loudest cars are the ones worth driving, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell. This is Auto Elite, where power never goes quietly. See you in the next one.